living paycheck to paycheck, but still chasing my dreams. As a trader on a tight budget, every trade is a life-changing opportunity, but I won't give up, bro. Because in these markets, every loss is a lesson, man. Join me on this wild ride where every dollar counts and every trade is a story. Yeah, I welcome you all to my life. This is me, Steezy Banks. Yes, sir.
Hey, what's going on? What's going on, everybody? It's SteezyTheBanksGuy, as you already know. Welcome back to my YouTube. So, as you can see, this is the trade that we are currently looking at. So let's delete everything and start afresh. So, mind you guys, I already did my LO12 count here. You understand? I already did my LO12 count here, but as you all know, on synthetics, I don't hold trades, and LO12 always want me to hold trades. So I've developed another simple trading strategy that works for me basically on synthetics, but on currencies it doesn't work. So how do I go about it? I only look at the market structure. So as you can see from this point, from here to here, I can clearly see a downside movement, which is like this. We can clearly see a down movement. Let's really make sure that this is a touch over here. Okay, so this is a downward movement, as you can see, from 4-hour time frame, and this is the last low price did give us. So I don't want to see price breaking that high. Sorry, that's the last high price gave us. So I don't want to see price breaking that high. So I want to see price breaking the lows, even though if it like took this area over here, I don't know how to put this on a phone, but it is what it is. So even though if price took out that high, it doesn't mean price is now bullish. Even though price took out this trend line is a small guidance that price might buy a little bit, maybe up to these areas or wherever the case might be. And also I can use this trend line from here, this trend line from here to here, you understand, to get my entry. So as you can see from this point, it's a point where price is at the middle of everything. So it's either price will buy up, why, or price will sell down. The reason why I'm saying this is because if this candle closes inside of this line, it means we're up. If this candle closes below, it means we are down. So that's what we need to monitor on lower time frames. So we go on 1-hour time frame. On 1-hour time frame, now we can clearly see a closure of a candlestick below that area. And even if I do my wave count here, I can see this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and this is an ending diagonal wave 5, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And currently right now, guys, I can clearly put my levels, which are 42, I can put 43. So these are my quarterly levels. These are how I don't trade. I don't think I can trade boom and crash without these lines. I cannot trade boom and crash without these lines. Oh, what happened? I cannot trade boom and crash without these lines, bro. These are my guidance, especially for when it comes to entries. So 43, 44, 00, and then I put the halves. I put the halves, which is like 43.50, and I change color so that I know which level am I. Okay, yeah. So there's always a reaction when price comes to these areas. There's always a crazy reaction. Okay, so we go on 1-hour time frame. Right now we can see that we are trading above this area on 1 hour. So chances of price going up are there, and also chances of price going down are also there. So let's go on 30 minutes. So on this time frame now, what we need to see is price reacting on these quarterly levels. So as you can see, price is literally backed up by this thing and also this quarterly level. So I wanted price to go here, But as you know, like my boom and crash, they tend to not respect these levels like that. It might start drop. So if I take an entry here, it means my stop loss is here. When price goes here, it means my trade is invalidated. So if there is any way I can put it, okay, the reason behind me saying I'm putting a stop loss there, let me show you. So this is a valid trend line, but also this is a valid trend line. This one is the most valid one. The reason why we need more touches, so as you can see, we got this touch right there and this touch right there, and this false breakout, price came back, retested, so it's a valid one. Another touch here, but the price broke, so I wanted price to get somewhere here, guys, so that I can safely say, okay, let me put this one, so I can safely say I'm trading the sales. So I don't know, man, the decision is yet to be discussed. So let's go in 5 minutes and see a little bit. Nah bro, I'm not taking an entry right now. As you can see, price really rejected above on the 43.50 level, so we need price to push a bit higher like here, then we start selling, man. We start selling from there, and it is always I will be taking you through all of this trade idea. I will take you through this trade idea. I think this is the best trade for the day, and on this trade, literally, I'm going to risk it all, man. Like, I don't know, bruh, but it is what it is. Peace, peace, peace.
What's up, yo? So guys, as you can see, I'm taking an entry. I did took one entry, but I really want to flip this account, so I'll take another entry maybe later. But right now I can see price is below that quarterly level, and I want price to drop, man. Like, that's the one thing that I want, and my stop loss is just around there, and I'm taking another sell there.
Why you had to do the dash on me? Is it cause I didn't have the racks on me? I can't believe you tried to cap on me. Throwing on that weed, I got that gas on me. How you gon' do the dash on me? Is it cause I didn't have the racks on me? Never thought I'd see you act on me. How you feeling? No, I got that.
As you guys witnessed, I closed the trade, but I couldn't shoot the vlog because I was busy. I was literally busy. So I just closed the trade, but I did took a screenshot of the trade. I'll put it here. So we managed to close $31 on the account, but the trade did drop, bro, like nobody's business. Let me show you how much the trade like literally dropped. So yeah, man, keep liking, sharing, commenting, and doing all of that good stuff. Yeah, I'm out. Peace. So as you can see, the trade did moved as anticipated. Let me go on 1 hour. Let me show you. Let me rotate. Yeah, so guys, as you can see, everything is on point. The analysis was superb. So we're just waiting for another opportunity. I think another opportunity I'll get it somewhere around, let me see my levels, I think around 4300. Yeah, around 4300. That's where the next trade is going to be. So yeah, around 4325. Yeah, around 4325. I'll be confident enough to take a trade here. Yes sir, so let's go, let's get it. Peace out.